Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Yeah, no, on a regular settings, but up on the road, nah, no time for do no work. But yo, me have to come drop that one here. Dan Mafia do a big bad tune for the for where I go on with the pastor. You see me I say, add the tune name Set Up. You see me I say, it not even officially released yet. But they done link me and them say, yo, you are unstoppable. And the preview this, you know, Set Up. It a drop Friday. Zine, people, check it out.
Set.
Talk to me. If what no. Talk to me down in the comment section. As me said, that at the preview. You see me I say, the song a drop Friday. So when it drop, make sure you run go over Dan Mafia Vivo and Dan Mafia make Dan Mafia know say, yo, Unstoppable TV send me over here and the Mafia the thing. But you know, you see me? Watch out man, as me say me dep on the move, me dep on the go. But go and listen to what I generally I say right here. So pertaining to everything we are going at Jamaica. Zine, check him out.
DPP. You come out to the propaganda 24 hours after. So let me ask a question, Miss DPP. Because to me, you're all minger, you know. You're just an all minger. You shouldn't be in that job. No, you should resign the past 4 years back. And the Prime Minister put you back in there for some reason so the world can hijack Jamaica. No, you have this man down a man to go be here with the whole on arrest. Right? And you come out to the propaganda. So you never know who this man was all this time. You never know who he was. You never know his reputation. You never know the damage him done. You never know the criminal record him have. But as the man dead and gone, you can't come talk who he was. Why you never talk who he was all this time? All this time why you never talk who this chopper is. This Pastor Chopper from Montego Bay. Why you never talk who this man is? But no, you could have come out and talk who this man is. If you're a woman like you in that position, you're such a disgrace. No, you're a woman where I serve the court, right? In the court, you don't take hearsay. Hearsay not really got court. And you come out with your statements if somebody police tell you say and you hear say. The man charged for this and the man charged for that. So you never know who this man was all this time. You never know what this man capable of. You never have a clue what this man was all about. You see people like Uno hijack the country. And Uno make the country in such a deep shit. Because two Jamaica people don't really know them right, and if you look one even know them right, so really I say nothing because they really want to get mixed up in nothing. People like Uno make Jamaica people suffer all the time. Right? Suffer. Because a woman like you now, in them position they know, you should keep your mouth shut. But you come talk what the man was and what sentence him get and what him do and all that type of thing there. Right? Now, you know what the police them do is wrong. If you escort a prisoner from all the way from one city to the next city, right? In an unmarked vehicle. From Montego Bay to Kingston. And you know that's not right. You know that's not right. But because you know so you're not really all accountable, that's the whole reason why you do something like this. Because you're not really all accountable for nothing, you know. You can't do anything and come out with some like a bluff talk tomorrow and then that's it. 9 days, not even 9 days nowadays, because the way Jamaica social media hot right now, nothing will work for 9 days because tomorrow I have a next episode for something again. Netflix. Tomorrow something is ready. So by the time you say who they are, this gone. Something else ready for tomorrow. But I wonder for breakfast tomorrow. Tomorrow Thursday. Today Wednesday. What is the next thing for tomorrow on social media? Because every time something happens today, by today 2 day time, something is happening again. Now, why you never send go arrest a police woman? We trim the Rasta girl here. Why we never do that? Why you never harass her? Why? Because she know you? Or because she has some link? Or because you know she a friend? That's what you should do, send go arrest her. You should have sent fear and charge her. But you couldn't do that because somebody know her. Who know you from who don't know who from who know who. And so you stay. And who don't know, you look after. Who don't know, sorry for them. You see what you do? You sacrifice the 2 policemen, 3 policemen them. And 2 injured in the hospital. And I can't bet any money so them 2 in the hospital there. We're not going to kill them. 1 dead on the spot. And he's such a young boy who have him family. He have a 6-year-old daughter. And him is a 26-year-old police officer just start serving country. And you sacrifice him, you kill him. Right? You kill him. Because if you need an escort and prison the right vehicle when you should be in, that will not happen. But it's a plan thing. It will not happen. Because the vehicle with the other vehicle colliding, when people see police vehicle, people that more take with themselves and go in up in a light post or something, they won't collide with the police vehicle. But you put the man at 2 private car from Montego Bay to Kingston, and the man lose him life. And by tomorrow or next week, you hear nothing more about it. And Jamaican, when you're in a job in a Jamaica, police force or whatever, in the medical field, you don't have nothing to forget. Me see a woman calling on one social media weekend. Her daughter, the woman daughter calling and I beg some help because her mother working at NHS for how many years, over 40 years, and I know she can't get her pension. Me see the next woman call, the next guy again named Wayne Lonesome from Mandeville. And she can't get her pension. It's such a shame. And I can bet you say you will get your pension. But the lower class of people them have hell forget their money. Hell forget their money when they forget it. Right? Nobody cares. You see when them people got abroad and work or they can't get them pension and come down to them. And all them people who work all at England and America and them places and have them little pension for collect and them live off it until death do pass. Eh? When Jamaica people work and forget them pension and go through hell, and who know who look after who for who don't know who. And it shouldn't be like that. Because I see a woman calling the guy named Unstoppable and I talk about our pension. And it's such a shame. If you see somebody have to call social media to ask for help to get them pension. And when the people that work for the hospital, social media never ever did about yet. And then the people have to call social media for help to get them pension. What kind of slackness that? I want to bypass that. You call yourself DPP. And it's such a shame to see what you're doing to the country. I want to make up and hijack the country. That's why I don't send Ninja Man to prison. I don't send the other man who say him kill rat and roach and lizard. I don't send him to prison. Because anybody who don't want to send him to prison, that's not there now. But when you let go dark part because he link big. And who him know and who him is with. So who no want to send him to prison, send him to prison. And who no want to kill him now. Right? Me see no make police kill Kentucky kid. And the police then walk scot-free. Me see a policeman in a center must kill a woman. Woman, And him walk scot-free. Woman. One thing me can tell you that the policeman then can't come in this country. Because anybody violate woman anywhere over the world and can't come to England. Even you, anybody violate you can't come to England. But in Jamaica, you go by classes. Me see a policeman a beat up a woman the other day on social media. 2 of them beat up a woman because she not wear face covering. And go home, go sleep with them family next night when night come down. So that's why I tell them, say Jamaican police and a real police and then just recruit up some man and put them out in a uniform to do some pure criminal damage to them people and get away with it. Because if you have somebody with a governor, undo them type of something there. But you can walk away scot-free. Nobody now take risk with them job. If you know them are going to lose their job, they better be careful of what they're doing. But anything you see a policeman do, beat up a woman, can you imagine you're a policeman? You're a man, you know. And you go to the road and beat up a woman today because she have on face cover. Then you go home, go lay down beside your family and your children and put on your clothes tomorrow morning and say you're going to work and go and beat the next woman. I want to see so. But when you think crime will go better in Jamaica, I want to reinforce crime, and I want to make so much crime in the country, you know. People like you know, oppress the smaller people, them. And you call yourself DPP. And look what you do. Now we see so look a policeman now losing life now. A young youth just start serving country, you know. I'm sure no saying I'll get nothing. By the time you get a funeral and march on and get one look 10 gun salute. Right, and put him down there, put the Jamaica flag over the coffin and march around 2 times and drop him body in the ground. That's it. Done this all. Done. Him look at that, I go grow up now. Uncle go grow up for know say him father dead pan duty. Me don't go know my father when time I was 6 years old and I never see him again, him dead. No compensation, no free education, nothing for that little girl where I go grow up in life. For even try for curve her, counseling, educate her. She not had nothing to get, nothing she not go get, nothing. And I take a young man with just doing the work and go sacrifice him. And that's if you talk about. Why you never find out why them saying, but you come talk about, oh, you couldn't try him in a Montego Bay because the cost problem, the cost this and the cost that and the cost is the cost that. So what's so special about him? Why you couldn't try him in a Montego Bay? When you sacrifice the police them life, to satisfy if you no need, because you know so the one secret to the birth out. But you don't kill the man. You shouldn't kill the pastor man. You shouldn't kill him. Because we want to hear all the things them him do and all the wrong things them do. We want to hear how much children them take away, how much soul and sacrifice, what them do. Man like him to go to prison.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable.